we're going back to the FTSE today. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers, and I am the coffee obsessed Scruffy trader. What I'm trying to do is kind of put trading in the real world, maybe show you a trick or two along the way. So if that sounds good, smash the like on the video, click the subscribe so you can see some more. Genuinely helps, and we'll have a little chat. So what we're chatting about today. Well, I'm continuing this journey of discipline, and the idea is to show you that just one trade a day with a 10 pip target build you a nest egg. Very, very simple. Because the urge in the markets to overtrade or just take a trade for the sake of trading because you switch the machine on is massive. And you'll find that that urge and those emotions probably be more damaging. Or you can almost talk yourself into any trade. Whereas if you had a set of rules or a framework, as I call it, and you apply them, but did them only once, twice at best, probably end up with more money. And that's the idea of these videos. So where we at and what are we looking at? Well, I'm at the FTSE and it's been doing very well for me. But why am I trading the FTSE? Well, if I pull the sheet up, most of you know I work things out on a spreadsheet. I have a formula that I put in and it spits out which is the strongest, which is the weakest. And I can also put an equation in that tells me the bias for the day. And it's pretty accurate, and it's kind of what keeps me consistent. Now today, the market picker has picked out nothing. You see, it's showing you what the strongest are, but it's not pitching it against anything. And that's because it's all bunched together. You know, it's like a coiled spring, calm before the storm. So I haven't really got anything to gauge it against. So I look at indices and things that I can trade. Now for this particular challenge, I am stuck with margin. What I mean by that is it's only a small account. So there's certain products I can't trade. For argument's sake, over here, these are the majors that move every day. The best one that it's pulled out, which is the best of a bad bunch, is the Aussie dollar. However, there's not enough margin to cover it. So kind of discounts that. Then I go look at other products that I can trade. You know, I trade gold, but it's quite a long process. It doesn't move as quick as you think. But the FTSE, it's cheap and it moves every day. So that's what I'm looking at today. And what it's worked out is it's going to be a gain. In other words, I'm going to be looking to buy it. And there's momentum on its side. Now I've already spoke to the guys about this one here. I do a morning watch every morning. And I've told them exactly what I'm going to do with it. You know, looking at the FTSE and it's going long, etc. So they know what to watch out for. And it's a nice little community if you haven't seen it before. So let's have a look and see what's going on. And sure enough, it is picking up speed. Now it's sort of 10 to 8 in the morning at the moment. I don't trade the opens. I like to see what goes on. So what I'll be doing at the moment is I'll just wait, and when it's time to go into market, I'll switch the camera back on. Otherwise I might be sitting here for quite a while, because if I look at this,
Are you serious?
I never chase the markets, guys. I let the market come to me and I try and trade at the best price I can get. Don't always get it right, but if I've got the direction right, which I often do, it gives a bad entry. And that's what makes me consistent. So what I'll do is I'll pause the camera now and I'll come back to you when it's time to go to market. And then we'll run the trade and we'll see if we can add a little bit more to the pot.
Well, we're waiting.
Okay guys, we've done the initial burst. So what I'm looking to do now is just drop an order in and hopefully catch it on the upside. Oh, there we go, it's in. To grab our 10 pips. Now, when I'm looking at markets like this, if I was to enter it around sort of 8 o'clock, I will just get caught out because money flow comes into the market very, very quickly. And if you're on the wrong side of it, it'll stop you out. So best advice, just wait 20 minutes, half an hour, you know, even an hour for that matter, and just see what happened. And that's kind of what I'm doing here. It's closing on 25 past 8 in the morning. It's a bit early for when I normally like to sort of come into market, but I've already done my analysis, and what's happened is this has come down and it found a level here. It's made a bit of a flush out, so a bit of indecision here, and then this candle showed signs to the upside. So if this is going to continue on its journey, there's no reason why I can't get a quick 10 pips out of it, and that's kind of what I'm looking at this moment in time. So what I'll do is I'll just let it run out, and hopefully we'll have this done very quickly. And if we do, result, and if not, I'll pick it up when I get in the office. So I'll just leave the camera running, let you watch it, and catch you on the other side. Okay guys, that is that. Done. So where are we at? Another 890. Dropped a clanger because I should have moved the position size up, but principle's still there. So let's have a little look, see where we're up to. So what I'll have to do is make that 89 because clanger's dropped a clanger. Put another 890 in the pot. Yes, followed it. It was the FTSE, came from the 1 hour. Tired. And the principle behind this trade, or the entry rather, was a retrace. Okay. And that's it. Done for another day. Easy peasy. So when I do this tomorrow, it will be 98. But what I might do is I might just sort of, no, I'll stick the plan. I was going to jump a step, but no, we'll stick to where it is. So there we go. It's targeted right. It came in. I'm not going to be greedy and push for more. What's the point? Don't need to. Job is done. So that's it. It's coming on 9 o'clock-ish. I can, actually it's before 9. I can now just go ahead, do my day's job and not worry about it. And then do it again tomorrow, the day after, the day after. And is that not an easy, nice way to trade? I think so. You see, I built my accounts this way. Build it up, take a little bit out, leave a little bit in. Build it up, take a little bit out, leave a little bit in. And that's all you need to do. Very, very simple. So, you got any questions, etc., by all means drop it in the comments below. I'm always interested to hear your thoughts. And if you need any sort of tools or anything like that, go into the description. There's plenty of free links in there. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.